Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make this table. So let's now start the video. So let's first create the profile. I'll just go to rectangle tool, press control, and make a rectangle of 500, comma 150. Again go to line tool and join this line. Now go to erase tool and erase this line. Now we'll make the path. I'll just go to rectangle tool, change the plane. Now create a rectangle of 1500, comma 650. Now select this profile, go to move tool, choose the origin and press control and drag it to here. Now select this profile and delete it. Select this plane and delete it. Go to erase tool and erase this line. Now go to follow me tool, choose this profile and follow this path and close it. Now go to rectangle tool and create a rectangle here like this. Go to push pull tool and drag it up to here. Now select this whole body, right click and make group. Now select this whole body, choose move tool, select this point, press control and move it up to 2500. Now we need to fit this object. Okay, for this go to flip tool and fit around this plane. Now go to rectangle tool, select this point and create a rectangle like this. Now go to push pull tool and drag it up to here. Now select this body, double click and right click and make group. Now that our table is ready, let's give the texture to it. Now just go to material, go to colors, sorry, go to glass and mirrors, choose this texture and give the texture to the object. Now go to change this texture and give this texture to his body. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like and share it. And also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos.